Hello and welcome to DS Farms.
Let's
go in here. So,
go. Don't ever ask that question. Just go.
okay. So we got some new goat feed that I'm trying. I don't know why I'm knocking my feet off. And by no means are we getting paid by this producer of dairy goat feed. It's called Lowe's Quality Feed for Every Need. I get this from a guy up the road. They've been in business since 1963. So we're trying this dairy goat feed. If you want to zoom in, this is the ingredients and the analysis. It's a smaller pellet than what the girls are used to. Geraldine does not like it at all. She will lay in the milk stand because my husband decided to, which he helps. I'm really appreciative of my husband. But he decided to dump the new stuff on top of the old stuff as I was mixing it, trying to get everybody used to it. 3 out of my 4 goats love it. Geraldine does not like it. She will stand there and she will not eat. But I'm not going to let her starve. I'm probably going to dig some out of the bottom today, at the very end, just because yesterday and today we've been fussing and, laying down and pushing, and it's an alpine goat. I do not abuse my animals. It's just the breed, and she's big. She's like a little kid. But the pellets are thinner, I think, than what my girls are used to. But this is it. It's, I don't know why she don't like it. I have no clue. But the other girls, they love it. So, and another thing I was going to talk about, and I can't remember. It's the feed and milk quality. You're going to edit this, right? Yes!
Talk about something.
I'm trying to think about what to talk about. So this is the ingredients that is in it. It is, maybe I'll think of what I was going to talk about before. It is grain products, processed grain byproducts, plant protein, calcium carbonate, roughage product, molasses. It does have a little bit of molasses in it. The copper in this is 30 ppm. The selenium is 70.7. They decided to sew it through everything. But it looks pretty good. My girls like it. Really haven't seen any decrease in milk production other than Geraldine throwing a fit. I just end up putting it in an old bucket because she's really good at putting her foot in the bucket. So I put it in an old ice cream thing and give it to Odin. Ooh, that's nasty. So, but what we feed with that is, right now, is coastal hay. I've been doing the, can you show the coastal hay? Thank you. I've been doing the Timothy Orchard and alfalfa. Then I opened up that pasture, and they were getting a little bit more of the different varieties of weeds and grasses and flowers and whatever is in there. So I went back to the coastal. So I'm probably going to get some of the Timothy Orchard alfalfa tomorrow, just because they have eaten down all the pasture. So this weekend thank God for payday, we're going to extend the pasture again, and we're going to keep doing it so we'll have enough lots so we can rotate it. Right now we're getting rain, so hopefully with the much needed rain we're going to be getting the pastures back green again. So yeah, so let's go out and check on Odin to see if he's gnawing on Kyla again. So come on with me. There's little sassy pants. Little sassy pants. Odie? So, we're still working with Odie. We're coming out about every 2 hours. And he was just chasing Dolly. So, probably back to the pen for a little while. Hey, baby. So, we're going to walk around. And Devin, if you would just keep an eye on him and see what he's doing. So, it just rained, so it's probably going to rain again. It's kind of drizzling. So, I'm going to Odin. Come here, baby. I'll let Dolly do that just because I want him to know his boundaries. Good boy. Good shit. And good cock. Yes, you're a good boy. And a lot of people say, oh, just give him good boy and then walk away. No. He likes a lot of good boy and very sharp nose. What I try to do, yes, I know. What I try to do is I don't want to, she always pees by me. I don't hit him, but I do act like I am the alpha mom. And I do act like I'm crazy, clapping my hands, telling him no. But I have been told by a few here, livestock guardian dog breeders, to turn him over on his back and don't hit him, but just squeeze like his mama would right here if he does anything bad, because I will be the alpha female and in showing him, you know, what's right and what's wrong, because we don't have an older livestock guardian dog to train him. So we're kind of having to do it ourselves. Looking back on it, I should have had an older one, but we're all learning. So as long as he does not keep, you know, the drool all over my... What are you doing? What is she doing? Okay, you comfortable? Really? I hope she don't have blood. I've never seen... Geraldine, why are you standing like that, honey? You're airing it out. Now, if she starts stretching, standing like that and stretching, she could have some stomach issues, maybe bloat or whatever. But getting back to Odie, I'm trying to teach him the basics, walking beside us, sitting, stop, and drop. Stop, drop, and roll. So, ew, are you constipated? Yes, with my YouTube channel, there's going to be a lot of humor, because that's just me. So my videos may be more humorous than informative sometimes, but I will try to keep everyone happy. Odie, come here. Odin, come here, baby. Walk. Walk. Let's walk. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good come. Good come here. Good job. Okay. Walk. 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 Okay, don't lay down. Come on. Come on, you're supposed to do this with me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Walky little independent doggy. Okay, now I'm going to bring him close, really close to Kyla. Really close to Kyla. Really close. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Earlier today, it was so funny. He was in there laying down, and she gets really close to him, and he looks at her, and he takes his paw like, no, you're not supposed to. No. That was funny. That was funny. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Good shit. Good boy. Yes, you were a good boy. Yes. So, let's see. What else? If there's anything you want to see, anything you want us to, I guess, check out, whatever, if you want to send it to us to test or however that works, because I'm very new to YouTube, just let us know. Our email is dsfarmsalpins@gmail.com. Once I figure out how to link everything, I will link the goat feed. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to advertise for them. I'm just saying that this is something that's out there that I get from my neighbor because he buys in bulk and then he sells or something. I don't know. I just get my hay and my feed from him. And I'm going to be making soap. We'll be trimming hooves. We'll be breeding goats. We'll be milking. I do that twice a day, so I might do another video of us milking this afternoon. It's really funny because the girls do stand in milking order. It's Geraldine, then Dolly, then Bella. And then Kyla, she comes in last because we're getting her, only give her a little bit of grain because she's not lactating. And she's not, obviously she's not pregnant or anything. But I want her to get, I want her to get used to the milk stand. So when she does have a baby, she knows kind of what to do in the milk stand. Now, we do kind of play with her teats, so she'll know that, you know, that she can be touched there and milked when the time comes. So when we handle all of our goats all the time, especially this one, and I think Dolly and Bella, those three are going to be going to shows. Our next one is the North Carolina State Fair. My cameraman's clothes is being eaten by Dolly. So, but goats are fun. Alpine goats are really, really fun. Again, if you've got any questions about the alpine goats or our training, which we're learning to train the livestock guardian dog, if you've got any questions or any comments or anything that you want to see us test, I do hand milk. Once I start selling from the breeding, I am going to buy a milking machine. So anyway, again, our email is D as in dog, S as in Sam, farms, alpine @gmail.com. Thank you.